All right, so now that I received the new antenna, I'm gonna now get it ready to be installed, and I'm gonna follow once again the instructions that were provided. So I'm gonna get rid of these zip ties here. Okay, so the next thing we got right here is thread the adapter, which is this one actually, which is not this one. So if I'm using the mast, which I am, I gotta first put the mast on. See, this thing don't fit, so I'm gonna have to take this protective sleeve off. Okay, and then once I'm ready for that, we're gonna apply the provided thread locker. That should be enough. Okay, so now we're gonna screw it in. Bam, just like that. Get it nice hand tight. Don't want to over tighten it. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put on this adapter. Okay, so this thing comes out right here, just like that. Once again, we're gonna get the thread locker here. Yeah, this thing is not going anywhere. Okay. Alright, hand tighten it. Wipe off excess thread locker right here. Okay, that should be sufficient. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the spring. And once again, finally, last application of the thread locker goes on right here. So as I'm rotating this antenna, okay, bam. All right, so as I'm rotating this antenna, you hear this? So there's already some kind of loose stuff in there. But nevertheless, so when I called WeBoost yesterday, and I explained it to them, and I don't know. We'll see if it works. Okay, boom. So now the antenna is ready for installation. So I have everything hooked up, just like the instructions are telling me. I added the additional optional spring, and here's my hardware for the mount, and that's what I'm gonna do next. All right, so I just wanted to do one final demonstration. So it's in this mount right here that was provided. And so I just wanted to show you how this thing goes up. So the first thing you gotta do is unclip it, just like that. Then you take it out like this, bam, and then you just put it up. And as you can see, I mean, I don't know, we'll see how this functions. It's kind of wobbly, but to put it back in, so you got to put it down first to make sure it snaps in, so you can hear that little click, boom, and then you put it right here, and that's it. It is done. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it for a ride. All right, so after driving around for a little bit, I'm already seeing a whole bunch of cracks around this thing. I don't know if you can see that. So, all right, so I'm gonna put it down again so you can see how this thing slams and rattles while you push it in, and it's already developing a whole bunch of cracks here. It's kind of out of focus. All right, it's hard to see on this side, but I'm gonna lift it up off this thing now. Get some leverage, and look at the vibration it causes when you take it out. And then putting it back in, yeah, this thing is gonna not hold very well. So after driving around for a little bit, here are the developed cracks. It's not really focusing.